am Teacher Roger, and today we are going to solve another tricky problem together. The question is about finding the actual answer from digit place mistake. Let us take a look at it together. Let us underline the key points and box up the numbers for this word problem better. The question states, when Li Hua was buying a certain product, she mistook the number 1 for 7 in the unit price. Li Hua had to pay a total of 189 yuan, but she actually only had to pay for 147 yuan. Given that the unit price and quantity purchased are both round numbers, the actual unit price of this product is how much yuan? And Li Hua bought how many units in total? Wow, so many words! Essentially, this word problem has a few key points and main questions to solve. Firstly, Li Hua mistook the digit 1 for 7 in the unit price. As a result, she paid a total of 189 yuan instead of the correct 147 yuan. There was thus a difference in total price paid by Li Hua. The two big questions are to 1. Find the actual price, and 2. Find the number of units she bought. How do we even start? Don't worry, let us list some simple examples first to understand this question better. Let us understand Li Hua's mistake together. Suppose the actual price is actually 21 yuan. What will Li Hua see the unit cost as? Very good, it is 27 yuan. What is their difference then? Yes, it is 6 yuan. Very good observation. Now, suppose the actual price is 15 yuan. What will the price Li Hua see as? Very excellent. It is 75 yuan. How about their difference? How can we work it out? Yes, it is 60 yuan. Very fast calculation. And finally, suppose the actual price is now 125 yuan. What will Li Hua see the price as? Yes, it is 725 yuan. How about their difference? Yes, it is 600 yuan. Now, let us observe which digit place did each mistake happen for each case. Let us look at the first one. Which digit place did the number change? Yes, it is the ones place. How about the second one? Excellent observation. The mistake happened at the tens digit place. Finally, how about for the last one? Very good. It is the hundreds place. Let us now understand the relationship between the mistakes at which digit place and its price difference. Is the price difference larger as the digit place changes from ones to hundreds? Very excellent observation. As the digit place moves from ones to the hundreds digit place, the difference gets larger. So, the difference depends on which place the mistake happened in. Now, there are so many other possibilities in which the mistakes could have happened for Li Hua. So, which is the exact place that the mistake happened? Now, let us use the list of mistakes to apply for Li Hua's problem. Earlier on, we have listed the examples of these mistakes that Li Hua could have possibly resulted in as shown in this box highlighted in red. Now, how can we find the difference in total paid by Li Hua? Yes, we can simply just take 189 yuan minus 147 yuan. And what will we get the difference of what value? Very nice calculation. It is 42 yuan. Now, is it possible that the mistake is in the hundreds place or the tens place? Very good observation. It is not possible. Why? Because the worked out difference earlier is 42, which is lesser than 60. Therefore, the mistake must be in the ones place. Now, the difference in each price unit was easily worked out by taking 7 minus 1, which will be equal to 6 yuan. This means that the extra 42 yuan came from 6 yuan extra per unit. So, how many units did she buy in total? We can take 42 yuan divide by 6 yuan to get a value of 7 units. Now, what is the actual unit price? The correct amount was 147 yuan for 7 units. So the actual unit price can be found by taking 147 divided by 7 to get a value of how many yen? 21 yen. Very fast calculation. So the actual unit price of this product is 21 yen. And Li Hua bought 7 units in total. And yay, we have solved this question. So, what did we learn today? First, what was the extra cost Li Hua paid? Exactly, it was 42 yen. Therefore, we always check for the extra cost incurred first. Next, which digit mistake matches this difference? Very good, it was the ones digit place. Because both the tens and the hundreds digit place will give a difference much bigger than 42. Finally, how do we find the actual price and quantity? We fix the mistake by taking the total difference divided by the unit difference to get the quantity. Why? Because the total extra cost came from paying the same extra amount for each unit. Then we can take the correct total price divided by the quantity to get the actual unit price. And that's it. Now know how to find the actual answer. And here is the next practice for you to test your learning. Think about it and put your answers in the comments box below. And that's all for today's lesson. This is Teacher Roger signing off. And if you enjoyed this problem solving video, remember to click like and subscribe. You can join our P1 to P3 study group with the QR code here. And see you next time. Bye-bye.